back to the channel. I'm Viper. Today we are going to talk about the DOF Reality Motion Simulator. You know that first time that you saw that great movie, or the first time you fell in love, I don't know. The first time you went to Disney World or to that park and it wowed you. The first time you put on a VR headset, that moment you have and you can't get that first time back. That's what I had with this motion simulator. All right, right off the bat, I paid for this with my own money. This wasn't sent to me. This is an expensive experience. But when I tell you that this experience is what I've been searching for, to put it all together, all the accessories, everything in one. Now, this was the final piece that I needed to put me into that immersion. Like I said, expensive immersion, but it is the one. I had so much fun. It took like 2.5 weeks before they even shipped it. Then once they shipped it, took another week to get here. But when they got here, I started building this thing. It took me a while to build it, and once I did, it was like 3 in the morning once I was done setting it all up and the software and all that. And I got inside this motion simulator. I put my headset on, and all I did was smile. All I did was smile the whole time. It was amazing to be inside this motion simulator and to have it give me that first moment feel. The first thing I put on was Epic Roller Coaster. Epic Roller Coaster is that thing that everybody wants to do in VR, but it just don't give you that movement. When I did it with the motion simulator, man, listen. This was Epic Roller Coaster was made for. A simulator. I just smiled the whole time because I felt the movements. It put me up, down, side. It just made it come together. Now, the one thing I was missing was the wind that comes with a roller coaster, which I will save up and get that attachment. VR and motion simulators together is a marriage made in heaven. It's meant to be together. It was late, and that's all I did was that motion simulator, and I got out went to bed. But the next day, I went to do what I really wanted to do, was racing. And I put on a set of coaster, and I got inside of it. The feeling of going side to side, that motion, the little movements that it does when you're on the road, up and down and little side to side. It puts it all together. Let me show you guys some gameplay of how this thing looks in action. We'll talk right after.
Stay double file.
Oh man, I feel it already. It's great. Let's go. You know, it doesn't move like when you're doing this right here. When I first got into it, I was like, why is it not moving? You know, but as I kept going and kept tweaking it, I know that it's the slight turns and what it does. So chair moves a little bit just to get it to go. I feel the car. I actually got the Pimax ultrawide going so I can kind of see everything. Let's see what happens.
Green light.
Green light, let's go. Oh, I forgot I put my manual. I want to control the car, and I put the manual control on, so I'm actually shifting it myself because I didn't want the machine to shift for me. It was like doing something to my thing, so I'm trying to learn. But feeling this car right now, yeah, baby, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Hold it. Let's go. Speed is what it is. Listen, this put a whole nother immersion onto racing now. Like when I'm feeling this car move and trying to turn at the same time. That was horrible. That was horrible. But this one coming up right now, this thing right here. That is not good. But this Crazy. I'm gonna hit that. I knew I was gonna hit that. I knew it. Let's go. That turn. I just not been able to master that turn yet. Being in the motion simulator is the way you want to drive. You want to drive this motion simulator this way. I see him on the left. Come on.
Car on the left.
Alright, okay.
On the left.
Alright, thank you. Being in the motion simulator is one of the best things that I'm doing. That's killing my frame rate right now. Come on.
On the left.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. This brought a smile back on my face. Being able to be in VR. The only thing I didn't put on, and I should have, was the Be Happy vest. That's like the super auto immersion. Putting that vest on, because then I'll feel the car vibrating at the same time. This motion simulator though. Ooh. Come on. And I feel the car when I do that. You know, before when you're not in a simulator, you don't feel no crashes. You know, you don't feel none of that. You don't feel like the movement of the road. It's like doing these slight ups and downs and back and forth. And that really matters.
Car on the left. Clear on the left.
And trying to, come on. These cars hit you, they don't even care. Yeah, baby.
Car on the left.
Let's go.
Clear on the left. Car on the left. Clear on the left. Okay, you need to resume the final lap now. Give it all you can.
We all just crashing. Whew. That is what I was talking about. Being able to do it that way, being able to have this thing right here move you as the car is moving is ridiculous. It's the only way that I want to play now, especially when it comes to racing and flight games. This is the only way that I want to do it. It's an experience. It's an expensive experience, but it's the only experience that I actually want to do now. So it's crazy that the amount of stuff that this thing has to offer. Do y'all see what I mean? If you guys ever have the chance to do a motion simulator or have the chance to experience that with VR, do it. Not fluffing this thing up, it is what it is. I want to bring this video to you guys to let you know I tried it and it's worth it. DOF Reality is one of the cheapest motion simulators that you can get right now that does this, that I know of. Real quick, they do have a Black Friday sale going on. It's like $500 off for Black Friday. So if y'all watching this on Black Friday, check out their website. It's like $500 off. It's worth it for me. If you could be so kind to hit that like button, please. It costs you nothing, but it helps my channel out a lot. So please hit the like button for me. I appreciate that. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.